Welcome back to the channel Auto Land. Today, we're diving into a highly anticipated concept, the 2025 Honda S2000 Cr. For fans of performance, style, and heritage, this car has stirred up a lot of buzz, and rightfully so. Honda has a legacy of creating engaging, high-revving machines, and the S2000 was one of its most iconic roadsters. With the 2025 version, Honda seems ready to bring that magic back in a modern package. The 2025 Honda S2000 Cr, or Club Racer, is a bold reimagining of the legendary roadster. Designed with driving purity in mind, this model keeps the soul of the original alive while adding advanced technology, updated styling, and next-gen performance. At first glance, it's unmistakably a tribute to the S2000 lineage, sleek, low-slung, and aggressive, with modern aerodynamic touches that hint at its track capabilities. Under the hood, the new S2000 Cr is rumored to feature a turbocharged 2.0-liter VTEC engine pushing out around 330 horsepower. That's a significant bump from the original, and with a lightweight chassis made of aluminum and carbon fiber elements, performance is expected to be razor-sharp. The engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, staying true to the enthusiast spirit, though a dual-clutch automatic might be an option for those who prefer paddle shifting. The suspension setup is tuned for serious cornering ability, with adaptive dampers and a limited slip differential as standard. Combine that with high-performance tires and a near 50-50 weight distribution, and you've got a car that handles like it's on rails. The CR badge also means additional performance tweaks like a stiffer chassis, more aggressive aero kit including a front splitter and rear wing, and less interior fluff, because this car is all about the drive. Inside, the 2025 S2000 Cr strikes a balance between minimalism and modern comfort. The driver-focused cockpit features digital displays, Alcantara-trimmed sport seats, and a flat-bottom steering wheel. Honda also integrates a new infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a premium sound system, though let's be honest, most owners will prefer the soundtrack of that turbo VTEC. Another highlight is the car's design. It blends classic roadster proportions with futuristic lines. Slim LED headlights, sculpted fenders, and a prominent rear diffuser give the car a distinct identity. It's both nostalgic and forward-looking, perfect for those who appreciate heritage with a modern twist. Production of the 2025 S2000 Cr is expected to be limited, making it a collector's item from day one. Honda is aiming at hardcore enthusiasts, much like they did with the original CR model in 2008. This time around, however, the competition is fiercer. Think Mazda MX-5, Toyota GR86, and even the Porsche 718. But with Honda's engineering precision and a loyal fanbase, the new S2000 could carve out its own niche once again. As always, pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, but estimates put it somewhere around $50,000 to $60,000 USD, depending on trim and options. It's not cheap, but for a car that blends performance, exclusivity, and legendary status, it could be worth every penny. Thanks for tuning into Auto Land. If you're as hyped about the return of the S2000 as we are, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take this over a GR86 or a Miata? Let us know. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.